Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing some more patch repair on my porch today using this Quikrete concrete vinyl patch repair here. I used it before. I need to do a little bit more on my porch so I can get it right before I paint it with the Sherwin-Williams floor and porch enamel. So, start by just wetting the porch down a little bit. I don't even know if I'm going to have enough. I'll probably have to mix up some more. Wet this pad. Work it fast because it's really hot out here. Just trying to get a tiny bit of texture on this thing. Just a light skim, not even that much. Yeah, it's a really thin layer. Just kind of hide some of the imperfections. I'm just going to be drying quick on it because it's about 90 degrees out here right now. And I got to work it fast, fill in some of those spots that are less desirable. I mean, I know it's gonna dry fast on me. So I've probably got about 7 to 10 minutes of good working time with it. I'll just keep working it in. Just do a pull. Things too. I leave it the first time. Start to pull because it's starting to dry. Whew. It's just more of an art than anything, I feel like. Trying to do this. Or people are better than others. And all that imperfections and stuff. A little bit better as it is the front porch entrance. I'm trying to put it on the market in another week or so, hopefully. Start the process. Joke trying to do this shit when it's really hot. Got a little bit in the finished part of the house painting. Cut that in. Really gotta work quick with this shit. Probably put too much water in it just now. I will. Shit, man. Should work you to death. It's pulling out on me. Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Patience is definitely a must with this shit. I can tell you all that. pulling out on me again. I wish I could have just gotten a good pull. Did help doing that now. Just rinsing it, getting it a little bit cleaner. Rinse it again. It ain't gonna be perfect, but I'm gonna go back over there a little bit if you like. Tap this shit off. I don't know, I lost that damn brush that I had that I was using. That's the ice cream truck. Will work your hand for sure, much as you wouldn't think. I'm not going for perfect here, people. I'm just, hello.
That's looking good, guys.
Thank you. I'm just going for something better. Trying to. Oh, I think I mixed it up too milky. I think that did kill some though. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Some of the imperfections in the face. Maybe I'll do some more right there. There we go. Try to fill some of those voids right there too. Trying to get rid of some of that roughness right there. It's working though, it's looking good. I'll be happy to paint it and call it done. Among many other things, the bathroom at this point is done. Well, I say done. Spigot installed in the tub. Other than that, it's pretty good. I'll do this next. Yep. I'm running out of product. I'll probably have to mix some more. This isn't rocket science, but there's some kind of art to it, I would say, and basic steps that you must follow, like not use hot water in it. I wouldn't set up faster on you like any other concrete. Sometimes you just gotta leave it, and I have a bad habit of wanting to go back over it, and, you know, after it's close to good or even good, I'm just trying to make it perfect. Pull that out. Hopefully I can try to point that corner out. Not completely dry on me. I guess I need to just try to do this front step. That was environmentally sound. Back and forth. Change the pressure depending on the directions. And it's getting some of them imperfections out that I don't want to see. Because it's 70 plus years old, this porch is. Around the front, try to put a little bit. See a little bit up there. Dust off the rest. I think I'm gonna go around the side and try to call it. Probably should have wetted a little bit. Definitely a tad so it would have stuck, you know. Go a long way, I feel like. Trying to Need it. Call it right there on that. Some of those rough spots. Little Tokyo drift just went by. Nice Honda Accord. Well, I think that'll be it. You can walk around. Any of the rough stuff will knock down after it's dry, and I'll paint it tomorrow. Clean this stuff up. Yeah, it'll be pretty good. Not a little bit more on that corner where I got it. Make it look better. That'll be it. I'll let it dry for 24 hours and then I'll paint it tomorrow. And we'll put another video up of it. Like and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see y'all in the next video.